time. Now I am doing the process of the Langaba for my study area. So
Okay.
the process going well. I don't know the data is reliable or not. I just want to ask you check my data is it correct or not.
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, so just you simply share the skin, then I check
Okay.
the problem or I check.
Yeah. Yeah. Share screen. Okay.
Not visible yet.
I reshare again. Can you visible
Oh,
now?
yeah, yeah. So now it's perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, this is and then yeah and supervised project.
Okay. Okay. In this time, you are using the Sentinel-2 satellite imagery, and you can get the
Yeah,
image for
correct.
year of 2023, and you can get the single image. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What's the problem you face?
Uh,
Run the code. We check.
which stack or go down or
Yeah. Okay. Right. Also add the external band NDVI, PSI, and NDVI. Okay. Further, you just okay. You can get that. Okay. It also okay. No problem. Okay. Just try to run the code and then check what happened. Okay.
yeah. So what I'm doing now?
So
Well,
click to the
we're
run
gonna check. Run. Okay. Run.
and then check the result. What happened? What the result we can find out from here. Is it run or not? What happened?
I already run, but maybe the internet connection are quite slow. Yeah. So
Okay.
that's why. That's
Okay.
why just a little bit longer. DJ, and I also ask you some question. Is there any other book or some suggestion for Canopy High and some smoking data, or is it available in Google AI Engine? Yeah.
So Google Earth Engine basically we can use at that Sentinel-2, which is 10-meter resolution freely. As well as
Yeah.
if you want, you can also use here the planet imagery. Okay. So it's one kind of yeah, we can get the 4-meter resolution. Okay, very high.
Uh-huh.
And we can get only for that 3 band, red, green, blue, and near infrared. Only this 5 band is available: red, green, blue, and near infrared. It's the planet imagery only for the 4-meter.
Mm-hmm.
And this,
It,
yeah.
it is possible in Google AI Engine, yeah, to for the Canopy High and some
Yeah.
smoke data.
Yes, yes. Because it's only for the 4 meter to 5 meter, then you can easily detect this type of feature.
Yeah.
But your network is very slow. Okay, it also better. You can simply go to the your first line of code, mainly your boundary area, and you can simply click on your ROI, mainly your project. Yeah, just click on here, your project.
On my
Yeah, yeah.
project.
Just click on here. Yeah, yeah. You click and then click to the share. Then click anyone can read. Okay, or simply click on the asset tab and further just share with your code with me. Then I'll try to run from my side and easily visualize it.
Oh yeah, yeah. I can share the code. Yeah.
No, 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 not this deck. You can simply click on the asset tab. First of all, click on the asset.
Asset.
You can see script docs asset in the left panel. Script tab, doc tab, and asset tab. In the right left corner, left corner. You can see the left corner asset.
Asset. Oh,
It's
no,
apps. It's not.
as,
You can see the left corner. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Click on here. Yeah, click.
yeah.
And now click on your study area. Which area you want to use in this time?
My study. Uh, Polygon. Study
Yeah,
area
just
polygon.
click on here. Click on here. And click on the share button. You can see the share.
Share. I just saw
Yeah,
the share.
yeah. And further, anyone can read.
Email. I saw the email.
Not need. Not just put the anyone can read.
Oh, anyone can read.
Yeah. Then done. Click on the done.
Done. Okay.
Okay. Now your result is also come. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now let's check the result. Or click on the get link button now. Click on the get link button.
Yeah. Already.
You can see the get link.
Yeah. Already.
It's not. It's not. Just click on the get link. Click on the get link button. You can
Yeah.
get
Already.
link, save, run, reset. Get link. Get link.
Link.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Now copy this link and send me. Then I will try to open
Copy
and send me. Yeah.
and send.
Okay. So let me open that and show you my screen. Just a minute.
Sorry, my connection quite slow.
Okay. No problem. And now again, stop the sharing. I try to open it my side.
Okay. Okay. Start share.
So this is your code. And I run the code again. Yeah. So now it's working. Yeah. And now you want to just identify about the water body. Then also Angua. Then secondary forest
Down
and
here.
prime.
This is
Yeah.
a kind of product like a shady division. We got down here. We never got down here.
Okay.
Down here is one of the forest diet.
Okay. Okay. In this time we can get this type of map. And here we can get that overall accuracy 90%. And we can get the kappa accuracy 87%. As well as you also try to add the calculate the area. Okay. So now what you want to do to add more? Or what is the problem?
When I created chart, the scale 10, not the scale, when I put the scale 10 resolution, but not available because the size quite by I changed the size scale before the making a chart.
Which one in the chart? Yeah.
Yeah, I mean the chart. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
the
We try to
first
put
time
here
I
the
do
10.
is
then it will be
I
not
change the
work.
scale, no work because the site is too big.
Okay, understand. Yeah. Okay, so for that, in this time we have to learn the randomly. Suppose we just calculate the area randomly, okay, because it's there the lot of pixel. Here you can see it show the this type of result. Too many
Yeah,
pixel in the region. Okay, in
yeah.
this time we have to use here that um, randomly we just try to work with that randomly calculate the area, okay, all of feature. So now I will try to explain it how we can easily calculate the randomly without chart, then you can get the proper result. But this result we can randomly we note down, okay, it not create the chart, it show only for the what is the value for water, what's the value for this class secondary forest and primary forest, we can easily get it. Okay, so now I will show you that for calculate the area randomly. Okay. So for doing these things, first of all, I take a variable. Suppose I put the variable name is the area, and in this time I use a ee dot Excel file, okay, and then you can easily work with that. Suppose you need the square kilometer unit, so for that simply use here that divide function, divide with 1 is 6. Now we can get the result in square kilometer. How much area of each classes it calculate, and not need to change your pixel area. In this time, we put at the 10-meter pixel area and then calculate all of area. Here you can see now it shows the result is square kilometer. So basically, this dictionary we can get look like that. Okay, so just click on here. Here we can get the result. Here you can see for the water how much we can get that 85.89 square kilometer. Okay. Also you can see about that
Mm-hmm.
one is for that this tangwa we can get how much area square kilometer, secondary forest how much area we can get, and finally you can get that primary forest how much area you can get in here. Okay, so basically this is the process without creating the chart, because sometimes chart have a problem because when it across the limit, okay, then it shows that there are a lot of pixel and it not work. So further we have to know how we can easily calculate the area without chart, randomly we can do that. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so you
Yeah,
can also try. Okay, I also send you this code.
yeah.
Okay, any question?
Not for now. And then I
Okay,
doing start doing now. Learning I'm doing now. I actually my study site need NDBI and Langaba and smoke data and also Canopy Hive. That's kind of thing I may I may need
okay, no
using
problem.
where
If when you face
interest.
any problem, just send before that you can simply knock with me.
Yeah.
Okay, then you
If
can
you
easily
have
get the solution.
any other source about the Canopy High and smoke fire data, so could you please share me the
Okay, so you can simply search on the Google. I show you some data set. Just a minute. For that
yeah
forest fire or this type of things, you can easily get it from here.
yeah
Suppose fire data, I can simply search here. So,
yeah. Mostly my start area make look at people they use the city cultivation they
okay, so this is the one kind of data. This
yeah.
resolution is that mainly 1000 meter, okay, 1 kilometer resolution for the
Mm-hmm.
Terra thermal anomalies fire daily. Okay, it provides the daily data set, and it will be start from year of 2000, and now updating that we can get from here, but it's also updating, no problem for that. And also you can see we can easily get the fire marks. Okay, from it you can easily get the fire marks. If you want, you can easily use the data, and then you can easily detect the fire, or also detect the fire about that. Okay, suppose I will show you the example for that. Suppose I just try to use the data. I simply copy the data, simply copy these things, and then try to open a new code. Okay, so it show the
Yeah.
globally fire data we can easily get from it. Further, you can simply import your study and click with that. then you can get the result for only for your specific boundary.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I will send you this code. You also try to check and try to
Yeah.
get the result for your study area and then check about that. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you.
Good.
Okay. Have a good day. Okay. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a good night. Good night.